Alright, so today we got a new little mod for the GTI. I already put this one in because I wanted to know how to put them in before I did it. So it's gonna look like this. And it's not expensive, $20 little mod. So I'm gonna show you how to take it out on the other side. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. So what you're gonna do, go on the left side, pushing right, and it pops up just like that. Easy. And that's it. And from here, you're gonna pop it open. Alright, hold up. There you go. Just push it back. Pull this. Pull it out. Leave it there. Now, pretty easy. Just connect this in here. What the fuck? Alright, so once, oh, let it focus. So once you have it inside, just push it in. And that'll be all. Just see those little hooks? You go put the hooks first. Oh, wait, fuckers. You put the hooks first. And then take the little wrap shit off. Hooks first, and just push it in, and that's it. You're already done. $20 easy mod from Amazon, and it looks dope. I'll show you in the dark how it looks. The right side. And the left side. Yeah, I think they're wrong, but I'm gonna fix them later.